Hey babes, good morning. Happy Christmas Eve. You guys are going to see this on actual Christmas Day. But Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope, or Happy Holidays, whatever you guys are celebrating. I hope you guys are spending time with family, and even if you're not, I hope you are still finding something to just be joyful for. Again, acknowledging that holidays aren't the best vibe for everybody. I've definitely been there. So I decided instead of doing just a vlog on Christmas Eve and then uploading on either the 25th or the 26th my Christmas, like what I got for Christmas haul, I have a lot to do today, and Christmas Eve is so special to me. I think it's just like in my Italian blood to just be on constant go 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 mode on Christmas Eve. So we do celebrate Christmas Eve with Andrew's family, and then that's our Christmas together, and then on actual Christmas Day it's me and Andrew's Christmas, and then my dad comes over, and then we go do some more fun stuff later that night with Andrew's family, like kind of combined. So we all have plans tomorrow, but today is just with Andrew's family, and I am making lasagna. I've been talking about that in my last couple vlogs to you guys, so I'm gonna be making some lasagna for everybody, which this will be the first time Andrew's whole family has my lasagna. I figured I'd like show you guys me making my lasagna, at least some clips. It gets a little chaotic and it's very hands-on, but I figured it would be a good time. I do not make my own sauce at the moment, so not that I'm reluctant to, but it's kind of a process, and the sauce recipe I have made before takes like rendering fat off of pork, and I don't want to do that. It's kind of a process, and this is a local Italian restaurant in my Kansas City area, and they use the same ingredients essentially that I would want to be using. I also really like their sauce because they don't make any chunks. Like I've never known a chunky sauce in my Italian food, and I used to be such a Rao's girly, but the thing about Rao's is they have a chunky sauce, and it's a super fresh taste, but Rao's to me almost tastes more like a marinara. This is like this has been on a pot in your Nona's house for 7 hours kind of sauce. So I love cascones, or some people call it cascones. I don't really know which one it is in this area. Again, I'm not from Kansas City originally, so I really like their sauce. They also have a Sicilian sauce that does render pork fat in it. Only issue is this is $4 and the Sicilian sauce is almost $9. That's why I don't buy it when I make my lasagna. I use it for other pastas and it's really solid. I also just don't feel like I need to because you guys don't care. See, I'm already getting in like Italian woman mode right now, but I already use sausage from a local butcher here, and that sausage obviously puts that pork fat in there. It all works out, is what I'm trying to say, is that it all works out. But I need to open this, well, it is open. I need to get this salami in my system, and I'm gonna do a little ab routine downstairs, shower, and then I'm gonna put some makeup on, and I'm going to film my first part of my what I got for Christmas. So I need to get that started. Okay babes, I just finished uploading my video. It is 10:39 and everything, like caption, all that's good. So publish that, and now I'm gonna get ready to go down to the yoga room and do some abs, very quick abs. And then once I get home and out of the shower, it'll be go time. Like I'm gonna do my makeup, I need to make a couple shorts and things like that. And then I am going to film the first part of the what I got for Christmas. And then by the time that happens, I will probably start cooking. So it'll be a fun time. Okay, I don't know why I'm acting brand new, like I don't literally have a yoga mat and things I can use for weights at home. So I'm just in a mode where like I don't even want to go downstairs. I don't want to risk someone being in the yoga room, and this is such a cute little outfit that I would never have the balls to wear to the yoga room. So these are just some spandex, and then this is actually a top I got from Forever 21 way back when, before they were closing all their stores. And they used to have like actually really decent workout clothes. So I'm gonna wear this because it's freaking cute and whatever. And then I'm just gonna do some mat Pilates routines in my spare bedroom with my mat that I have, and then some weights. So this is the fit for my little home workout instead of me going downstairs. Super cute, and I would film it, but I just know that the boys are gonna knock over my camera, and I'm so scared of that because everybody's Canon G7Xs have been breaking lately, and you can't find these anymore. Like I got mine way before it was super freaking trendy, so I'm so happy that I got it when it was still like $400 or $500 instead of like $1,000 something that people are reselling for $800. But anyways, I'm not even gonna speak the end of the universe because I would be devastated if that happened. So I am not gonna film because I don't want to risk the boys rough playing and hitting my camera. But I will see you guys after my little home workout. I just finished my super quick workout. I got really distracted, just like kind of ready to shower and get my day started. Really quick, glad I did not go downstairs to do that workout, but I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower. Okay, Santa Claus 2 is on. Pepperoni is open and the ricotta mixture is done. I use 1 big thing of ricotta, an egg, garlic, pesto, lots and lots of basil. Make sure you rip the basil by hand, don't cut it. It's not made with love if you don't rip it by hand. And then I use pecorino romano, Asiago, normal Parmesan, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and any other cheeses you're using. And I add that into the mixture. I don't overdo it, but it just makes it so creamy. Make sure you guys whip it up really well so the egg gets in there. And I cover this and put it in the refrigerator. Do not miss that step. When I used to not do this, I would just like leave it kind of resting on the counter for like 10 minutes while I was putting all the layers together. Something about it binding when it's cold does it for me. Like, it is so good that way. So you guys will let that rest in the fridge until you need it to make your layers. Okay, and then this is Shamika's medium Italian sausage. This is a place local to Kansas City. So as you guys can see, like, I don't like using anything that's not coming from Kansas City. There's a very underappreciated population and good tradition of Italian food in Kansas City. We might not have all the best restaurants to speak for, which we have a good handful, but we have very solid and underrated delis and butcheries and things like that. So this meat and sausage is fire. It is pre-seasoned with all the goods and it is fresh. Like, when I get a bite of that pork sausage in my lasagna, you can just like taste the red pepper flakes. Like, you can taste the Italian seasoning put in there. Like, it is so good. So I only add a bed of pesto beneath it, and then I let this cook up. Then the sauce will get added into this.